Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to take a look at a new thing that just adds a little bit to our tags. A lot of the tags you use in HTML, they're not just one little thing like this, like bold. They're not like just H2. Some tags have extra pieces of information that you can sneak into the tag. Now I'm going to use two tags to demonstrate this, and these two tags have actually become a little old. You're not actually supposed to do it this way if you're a real professional modern web developer. But you know what? I'm going to do it anyways because they're simple, good examples of these little extra things we're going to add. And you know, they do work and it gets you as a beginner up and going really fast. So here they are. One of the tags is called the font tag. So I'm going to go, this is blue text. Now I can see here I should add maybe a little BR. Now, if I actually want the text to turn blue, so that blue right there, here's what I do. There's a tag called the font tag. Now, this tag has sort of gotten old, okay, but we're going to use it anyways. But the tag is called font. Now, the thing is, font on its own, well, how's that supposed to turn it blue? It says nothing about blue. The tag just says font. This does nothing if you just leave it like this. This font tag has an extra piece of information you can give it. And there's actually a few extra pieces of information you could put in there. One of them is color, and I can say color is blue. Now there's actually clever number codes that you can use for the colors, but you can also just type most of the common colors just like that. So the tag is font, and this extra piece of information, what do I want to do with the font? That's called an attribute. So what you end up having here is you have some tags have attributes tucked inside of them that let you change things. And so let's give this a go. So font, color is blue, and then end font. Notice you don't have to say end font color blue. Just go end the font tag. The tag is font. The attribute is color equals blue. Gives a little save, gives a little refresh, and there you go. You got your blue text. Okay, that easy. A little bit of color change. You can actually put more than one attribute in there. Another attribute I could put here is I could say size 5. Size 5, it's going to change the size. Let's see what it does. And that's about size 5. Now there's a limit to the size. I think you can only go up to size 6 or 7. And in the long run, you don't actually use the font tag to make text bigger. We're just using it as an example today. Okay, so there's one example of a tag that has some attributes. You're going to see attributes a lot, okay, in a few of the tags we do in the future. Another tag I could do here is I could do one in the body tag. There's a attribute for the body tag called background color, BG color. And let's say I do BG color yellow. File save, refresh. And you see the page turns yellow. I love it, right? Nice ugly web page. It's fantastic. Anyways, you'll get the idea here that there's a lot more attributes you can sneak into the body tag. I have a little web page open here already with the reference. Here's a few that you used to be able to do. You still can do them, but you're not really supposed to use them anymore. But you could put a background picture, background color, some text. You know, there's other stuff, right? You'll notice if you do use the reference on this website that you're going to end up getting tags that actually have a lot of attributes. I'll just do one more last one here. Here's HR, horizontal ruler line. And it says one attribute is I can change the width. Let's just give this a quick go before we end the video. Before I say the word bye here, I'm going to say HR width 300 pixels. And that's it. This is one of these tags. You only need one tag. It makes a line across the page. Refresh. And there it is. A 300 pixel line centered in the page. Nice. Anyways, that's tags with attributes, just so you know about them. And then the next video, we're going to be taking a look at how to get pictures and link your pages. And those are going to be links that do have attributes. That's why we want to talk about it here. Thanks for watching.